Two Americas. One land. But what happened between them? Long before skyscrapers touched the clouds, this land already had stories. Their world moved at the speed of rivers, horses, seasons, and human footsteps. To them, the land was not an empty space waiting to be filled. Thousands of years of cultures had already shaped this continent. Across the continent, societies built farms, trade networks, governments, cities, and traditions. Then, strangers appeared on the horizon. Two worlds were about to collide. Trade began. Curiosity grew. But so did conflict. And diseases brought from across the ocean devastated indigenous communities. Then came a struggle that would reshape the continent forever: land and power. New settlements expanded across forests, plains, mountains, and rivers. Then iron tracks began cutting across the continent. For indigenous nations, expansion often meant something very different. Treaties were made, borders were drawn, and many promises were broken. Entire communities were forced from lands their ancestors had known for generations. Yet the United States continued to grow. Factories rose. Cities exploded upward. Industry changed everything. And the old landscape slowly became something new. But indigenous America, whose America, did not simply disappear.
Cultures survived. Languages survived. Memories survived.